You know, this type of channel is trending nowadays. This channel uploaded only 61 videos and gained 1.81 million subscribers. Please check it. It's proof. It's amazing, really. It's so amazing you won't believe it. This channel is monetized and I will give you proof. Please check. This channel is monetized and earns thousands of dollars per month. Also, in this video, I will tell you about another 100% totally free AI video generator and AI image generator tool. Yes, I promise, no cost at all. This is a 100% totally free AI tool for generating videos and images. In my last video, I told you about a new AI tool that was completely free. The link is in the description of that one. But now I've found another amazing tool that is also 100% free. You don't need to pay anything, just watch my video till the end. I promise, no cost. Just support me by watching the video till the end, liking it, and subscribing to my channel. Now come into Canva and click on the Docs option. After that, click on Magic Write. It works just like ChatGPT, but it's completely free. No credits required at all. Just copy the prompt I'll give you. You'll find it in the description, paste it into Magic Write, and it will give you an amazing result. If you like it, you can use it. If not, just click on More Like This, and it will instantly create another powerful and creative prompt. I think this is one of the best hidden features of Canva. And there's more. You can also ask for specific things in the prompt. Just click the little button and tell it what you want. For example, if you need something like cut cat included in the prompt, just type it and Magic Write will adjust it exactly the way you want. It's super easy and really helpful for content creators. Now let's talk about Canva's Magic Media, a fantastic new update by Canva. With this feature, you simply type in a prompt and it generates stunning visuals instantly. No need for any complicated AI tools or design skills. It's fast, easy, and super creative. You can also explore DramLab inside Canva. It works similarly to Magic Media and is just as simple to use. Just enter your prompt and it gives you high-quality AI-generated HD animated images in seconds. The best part? There's no need to pay for expensive websites or tools. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create videos completely for free, step by step, without spending a single penny. And that's not all. I'm also going to introduce you to another amazing free AI image generator called BlackBox AI. It's super fast and easy. Just go to the website, the link is in the description, click on the image section, paste your prompt, and in just 10 seconds, you'll get a beautiful HD animated image. No waiting, no fuss. So make sure to watch till the end, because I'm sharing all the tips and tools you need to create awesome content 100% free. I hope this helps you take your creativity to the next level. Alright guys, now open Google and search for Meta. It's time to complete the promise I made to you in the beginning of this video. Once the results come up, just click on the first website you see. That's the one. Now listen carefully. This is the best part. When you land on the website, just log in using your Google account. That's it. No credit card needed, no hidden fees, no trials, and no credit limits. This is 100% totally free to use. Yes, Meta AI is a free tool that gives you professional quality results without costing a single penny. Once you're logged in, paste the prompt I gave you in the description below. Hit enter and boom, you'll see it generate a stunning ultra-realistic HD animated image. And trust me, it looks like something made with expensive software by professional designers. But wait, I know most of you are here for one thing, video. You want to turn that image into a free animated video, right? Let's do it. All you have to do is click the animate button. That's it. You don't need to adjust anything unless you want to. In just 10 seconds, yes, literally 10 seconds, it takes 4 images and transforms them into a smooth, high-quality animated video. It's fast, it's beautiful, and best of all, it's still completely free. This is like magic, guys. I'm not even exaggerating. No credits, no dollars, no subscription, just pure creativity at your fingertips. I honestly couldn't believe it the first time I tried it. And if you think one video is cool, just try another. Paste a new prompt, generate more images, click animate again, and boom! Another awesome video, totally free. No credit card, no hidden fees, no trial period, no daily limits, just a simple login, and boom, you're in. This tool is 100% totally free, no jokes, no fake promises, completely free to use. Now, take the prompt I've added in the video description and paste it into the input box. Hit enter and just watch the magic happen. In seconds, it generates a realistic HD quality animated image. I'm not talking basic stuff. This looks like it was made by professional animators. But here's the exciting part. You want video, right? Click the animate button and without selecting anything else, just wait about 10 seconds. Guess what? Those images are instantly transformed into a smooth, high-quality animated video. Yes, a real animated video in seconds. No payment, no credit system, no watermark. But don't leave yet. If you want to really take your content to the next level, you need to check out the customization settings too. Look at the left sidebar inside Meta. You'll see options like style, mood, and color. You can choose a cartoon look, 3D style, cinematic vibe, and even different lighting effects. All of these options help you shape your video exactly the way you want it. And yes, every single one of them is free too. So let me ask you, why pay for other websites when this one does it all for free? Everyone wants to create cool, animated content, but not everyone has the budget for it. That's why tools like Meta AI are a total game changer for creators, YouTubers, digital artists, and even beginners. The only thing you need to do is log in with your Google account. That's it. No more steps, no complicated setup, no credit system. Just log in, paste the prompt, generate images, animate, and enjoy your free video. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try right now and start making your own professional animated videos in seconds. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends, because everyone deserves access to powerful tools without breaking the bank. Let's create something amazing together. Now, let's move into CapCut. First, drag your audio and video into the project. Make sure you adjust your audio to fit the video. This is crucial because you want the audio to align perfectly with the visuals. Next, arrange your video clips in the correct sequence, ensuring they match the timing of the voiceover. If the video doesn't match the pace of the audio, you can adjust the video speed to sync perfectly with the voiceover. CapCut makes it easy to change the speed of your clips by simply selecting the video and adjusting the speed control to match the flow of your audio. Once your audio and video are synced, you can add transitions and effects. If you're using the Pro version of CapCut, you have access to amazing transitions that can enhance your video. These transitions are particularly useful for making animated scenes look smooth and polished. CapCut offers a variety of options, whether you need a simple fade or something more dynamic. Additionally, the Pro version allows you to use captions with beautiful and engaging styles. You can download over 100 caption styles to make your video stand out. Using captions not only helps to enhance storytelling, but also makes your video more engaging and accessible. With all these features, your video will become not just visually appealing, but also incredibly interesting and professional looking. Now, review your video and check if everything flows smoothly. Make sure the audio and video are synced perfectly, adjusting the speed if necessary. Once everything looks good, your video is ready to export and share.